Get ready to challenge yourself with 25 questions on software abbreviations and acronyms. Software abbreviations and acronyms. Question number 1. In programming, what does API stand for? The correct answer is option A. Application Programming Interface. API stands for Application Programming Interface, allowing software applications to communicate with each other. Question number 2. What does SQL represent in database management? The correct answer is option D. Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, used for managing and manipulating relational databases. Question number 3. What is the purpose of HTTP in web communication? The correct answer is option A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used for transmitting data on the World Wide Web. Question number 4. What is the meaning of GUI in computing? The correct answer is option A. Graphical User Interface. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, a visual way of interacting with computers using graphical elements. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the URL in web browsing? The correct answer is option B. Uniform Resource Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, used to specify addresses on the World Wide Web. Question number 6. What is the meaning of VPN in networking? The correct answer is option A. Virtual Private Network. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, providing a secure connection over the Internet. Question number 7. What does IoT represent in technology? The correct answer is option A. Internet of Things. IoT stands for the Internet of Things, connecting devices and enabling them to communicate. Question number 8. In networking, what does LAN stand for? The correct answer is option A. Local Area Network. LAN stands for Local Area Network, a network of interconnected computers within a limited area. Question number 9. What is the purpose of SSL in web security? The correct answer is option A. Secure Socket Layer. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, providing a secure and encrypted communication channel over the Internet. Question number 10. What does HTML represent in web development? The correct answer is option A. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, used for creating and structuring web pages. Question number 11. What is the purpose of IDE in software development? The correct answer is option A. Integrated Development Environment. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, a software suite that consolidates basic tools for software development. Question number 12. What does DNS stand for in networking? The correct answer is option A. Domain Name Service. DNS stands for Domain Name Service, translating domain names into IP addresses. Question number 13. What does JSON represent in data interchange? The correct answer is option A. JavaScript Object Notation. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, a lightweight data interchange format. Question number 14. What does XML represent in data exchange? The correct answer is option A. Extensible Markup Language. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, used for the storage and transport of data. Question number 15. In version control, what does Git stand for? The correct answer is option C. Git is not an acronym. Git is a distributed version control system, and it is not an acronym. Question number 16. What does CMS stand for in web development? The correct answer is option A. Content Management System. CMS stands for Content Management System, facilitating the creation and modification of digital content. Question number 17. In cryptography, what does AES represent? The correct answer is option A. Advanced Encryption Standard. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, a widely used encryption algorithm. Question number 18. What is the meaning of CDN in web hosting? The correct answer is option A. Content Delivery Network. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network, a system of distributed servers to deliver web content efficiently. Question number 19. In software testing, what does QA stand for? The correct answer is option A. Quality Assurance. QA stands for Quality Assurance, ensuring that software meets specified requirements. Question number 20. In programming languages, what does JVM stand for? The correct answer is option A. Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, running Java bytecode. Question number 21. What is the purpose of ERP in business software? The correct answer is option A. Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, integrating business processes and facilitating information flow. Question number 22. What does XSS represent in web security? The correct answer is option A. Cross-site scripting. XSS stands for cross-site scripting, a type of security vulnerability. Question number 23. In software development, what does CI/CD stand for? The correct answer is option A. Continuous Integration Continuous Deployment. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration Continuous Deployment, a set of practices for automating software development processes. Question number 24. What does CPU stand for? The correct answer is option A. Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing. Question number 25. What is the meaning of RAM in computing? The correct answer is option A. Random Access Memory. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, a type of computer memory that is used to store data that is being actively used. Thank you for visiting us. Follow us on YouTube.